Again, across the top of the loop. Ladies and gentlemen, on takeoff, snapping into the inverted and rolling it straight up, Mr. Rob Holland. Rob flying a one-of-a-kind MX-S RH 385 horsepower American-built masterpiece, powered by a Lycoming aerobatic aircraft engine. Rob is your 2011 United States National Aerobatic Champion. A big wave to Jane Wicker. She taxis by as Rob takes the MX-2 back around to the top. Watch as Rob tumbles the aircraft out of the skies of Tuscaloosa and now recovering. That's a Rob Holland original, the inside tumble and high alpha rolls as he comes right back down to show center. Watch this. Comes across the top. And then begins to tumble the aircraft nose over tail, tail over nose. It looks like the plane is totally out of control. And now watch this, pure power to recover. Now let's watch as Rob comes up to the top. Tumbles the aircraft back down again, look at this. From your left, down the 45-degree line. Once again, screaming back down at show center. He's going to pull back on the stick. The MX-2 watches it go straight up. Torque roll on the way up. And he begins to tumble the aircraft. Now recovering down the 45-degree line. To your left, Rob pulls back on the stick of the MX, quickly climbs back into another torque roll. Now let's watch again as the airspeed literally bleeds off to nothing and he holds the aircraft on his nose and straight back down he comes from your right. Yes, I'm here. Holding a lot of G's in that turn right there. He pushes the stick forward. Negative G's again, trying to throw Rob out of the top of the cockpit. Watch as he goes straight up the vertical. Brings the aircraft to a literal stop in the sky. Holds it right there. Now sliding on his own tail. The nose finally flips over. The aircraft begins to tumble into a flat spin. Quickly recovers. The Tucker under hover. The MX-2 quickly leaping in the skies over Tuscaloosa once again. He takes the aircraft against tumbles, nose over tail, tail over nose. Now let's watch this next maneuver as he pulls the aircraft straight up into the vertical. Taking the aircraft into the Raptor. Oh my gosh, and into a high alpha roll and tumble. Watch this. High alpha rolls. And what's more, into the Cobra as the aircraft begins to tumble again across the skies of Tuscaloosa. Oh my God. How does he do it? Back into a high alpha pass. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This aircraft literally becomes a helicopter and hangs in the skies. All right, folks, let's go live to the cockpit with Rob Holland. Rob, looking great.
Hey, thanks, man. Really good lot of you down here in Tuscaloosa. What an amazing day we got for answers today. What a great crowd down there. There's a lot of people down there. All right, folks. I'd like to take a moment of your time.
Yeah, Rob, we appreciate all the military. They're awesome men and women.
Yeah, man. All right, folks, let's go climb up that.
The MX2. 300,000. Watch as he takes the aircraft up 1 3/4 turns on the vertical up roll. Into the torque roll. Now he's going to kick it into an inverted flat spin. Watch this, ladies and gentlemen. The aircraft is upside down. Inverted flat spin, and then to a knife edge spin. Then to an upright flat spin. And recovering down the 45-degree line. Woo! Holland sets up for his next maneuver he calls the Helix. Oh my gosh! How do you make a plane do that? Wow! Here he comes. This time setting up for the vertical tumble. Let's watch. Oh my God! The aircraft just tumbling and through the skies of Tuscaloosa. Now Rob setting up for the Cardiac Express. Now in the inverted, pushes the tail right up underneath him, all the way around. Oh, that's unbelievable, folks. Unbelievable. All right, until the MX2 was developed, the only plane that can do what you're about to see was a pit special. Watch this. You've seen hammerheads before. Sure you have. But watch this. Rob is going to do something that only one other airplane can do in the whole world. Let's watch its airspeed goes to 0 right there. He takes the aircraft into a hammerhead, but not one hammerhead, 2 hammerheads. A double hammerhead. Now watch for the sideliner. Look at this. The aircraft, a knife edge flight and climbing. Oh my gosh. The only way you can do that is to have an MX2. Holding the aircraft on the prop once again. Holding. Now, Rob Holland's original maneuver, the hollow endo. Ew, hover. Watch this. Right at show center. Straight up he goes. Quarter turn. Kicks in the rudder. And now watch this. The aircraft is going to tumble. Ooh. Wow. Now watch this. He pulls the aircraft around. And recovers. Woo! Rob really cranking it out there today here in Tuscaloosa. Edge flight again. Now, some people just normally land an aircraft the normal way. You know, you fly a crosswind and downwind, the base and the final. Not Rob. Watch this. He's going to go into a flat spin. Right there. The plane in a flat spin. Now, watch this. Still in that flat spin. This is the shortest approach landing above the Still coming down. He recovers the aircraft. Comes back around with a lot of energy. And then she sits it down on the ground. Ooh, with a little bit of extra energy and an extra roll. Bleed off some of that extra energy. Oh, wow. Oh, that was impressive, folks. Let me tell you, amazing. And now you know why he is your 2011 United States Aerobatic Champion right here in Tuscaloosa. Rob Holland. Wow. Rob is also your 2011 World Freestyle Champion.